Bingo cat. Hello. You loser.
That would be a mighty sad, sad thing. It says in a moment.
We have one Ellie. And we have one Juji bear with her little fluffy mohawk. Ellie, what are you doing? You talking to Curious George? Hello, you enjoying your trips? Hey Johnny, what are you doing? We have some best buddies, y'all. Alea, is that your new best friend? Yes, is that your new best friend? She hasn't learned how to sit up. So she's just sitting there. Abby, what are you into? I think this is the most babies ever, you guys. Huh?
Being together today, got time, Lord, and fellowship.
Sing it. Guys, I'm getting video proof of this. My brother just bought a truck and it don't have four-wheel drive, right? So he got stuck in this little tiny puddle.
The dirt. Bumper slapped the dirt back
Oh
there.
no, I see it.
So when I hit the gas, it's just doing this and free spinning. Nothing! It just goes, boop.
Philip, what do you got to say for yourself and your new truck?
Never hit a tiny puddle again. The assumption that it is little. I said little puddle. And I hit it and I said, oh, I'm stuck. I have nothing to do with this. Oh, I'm stuck.
Like last time, 2 years ago, we're having father try to come get us with his full-wheel drive Dodge. It's literally like 20 feet. And he made it. He made it with his big hunker of a truck. I love how Philip thought, oh, look at my new truck. It's YouTube worthy, I'm sorry. Lee's over there literally vlogging at the same time I am. There we go. Dad's truck got it. Stop, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Stop, ew. No.
Look at my whole side of my truck.
Dodges are better than Fords, and then Chevy's better than all of them.
Dodge is better than Ford. Negative Bills right.
I don't know.
No, Ford and Chevrolet are the top 2 trucks in the world.
Sound like he said, Papa working. Papa working. When you get on the recording, say hey. Say hey. Say hey. He's like, nope, I ain't about that. Not about that. In the building. Run, run, Rudolph. We're heading back home. Or back to North Carolina. So, we decided to go thrift shopping today. Just to let you know, I'm going to be a Christian YouTuber.
you gotta say. And I don't want to be too cheesy about this.
I just love
But
God.
the Lord loves you, and He's there for you, and He's.
And now we're gonna go do stuff. Yeah!
You know who you sound like? I'm not gonna say that out loud. Shit.
Ah!
What was that? There's your husband, Selena. Boyfriend. It doesn't look very thrift store-ish. Hey, Juju. It was sort of successful. Selena couldn't find her Pyrex bowls.